We'll guide you through how to change your Apple ID profile picture. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for whatever reason you want to change your Apple ID profile picture, you see it in the top right of the App Store, and you can also go and see it in your settings as well. So perhaps you went and set it a long time ago, and now you want to go and change it to something else. We're going to guide you through the different options you've got. You could go and change it to a different photo, to a different emoji here. You can go and change it to just letters. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. Come right to the top to where you go and see your Apple account, and you want to go and tap there. That'll go and bring you to your account page, and you're going to see different info here. But what you want to do is to go and change your profile picture as you go and tap on it. This will open up. You can choose between avatar and poster. We're going to do the avatar though. So now what you can do is you can go and choose at the top. You've got photos, monogram, emoji, and emoji. So you can go and choose some suggested ones, but you can go and tap. I could go and open up my photos, let's say, and come to the library or even the camera. You can then go and choose the picture you want to go and use. And as you can see, there it is. Then you can go and set some different info here, and you want to go and press done at the bottom. And as you can see, it's now gone and changed there. I'll swipe back, it will go and change. And I'm just going to go and restart the App Store, and it should also go and change there as well, as you can see. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with more how-tos like this in the future. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to drop them down below. And I look forward to being able to go and help you.